Hi, I will show you why Solana will soon sell off to $80 because it has done that in the past 9 times, similar percentage wise. For example, here 79%, here 43, here 40, 68, 48. I won't analyze the bear market because it was a 96% drop. But for example, in this bull market, 53%, 46%, 36%, 43%, and right now would be 55% to $80. So if you're ready to see why, let's jump into the charts. First of all, we can see a daily Solana chart, and I will show you the bigger picture first to understand the short term, because the bigger picture is showing us what will happen right now. We can firstly see that from 2020, when Solana came out, we can see 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that is bigger wave 1. Then we can see a bear market where from the top to the bottom there was a 96% drop. And there we can see an ABC structure in wave 2, 3 waves down, A, B, C. After that we can see a move to the upside, this bull market, where we can see 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, and maybe unfolding 4 and 5. Now we will draw a trend channel from the bear market low to the upside. We have 3 touch points here, and we will move the trend channel upper boundary to the top. We can see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and now at this moment 5 touch points. Right now we know that Elliott wave suggests us that wave 4 will come back to a retracement of 0.382 of the bigger wave 3. So we will move a Fibonacci level from the end of wave 2 here and to the end of wave 3 there. And we see that Fibonacci level 0.382 suggests that it will come back to $72. Now, why did I say $80? Because there is an additional advanced Elliott wave theory that wave 4 of a larger degree, this wave 4, comes most often back to the previous wave 4 of the lower degree. What does that mean? The previous wave is wave 3 and it has subwaves in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that we can see here. And this wave 4 finishes at around $80. We will place a box here that we see how long is wave 4. We can see the top of wave 4, we can see the bottom of wave 4, and that suggests us that larger wave 4 will at least come to $80. Now after that we will jump to the short term chart. We will zoom in and we will clear a bit this chart up. We will remove these things that I already placed, like a box, like a Fibonacci retracement, and like a Elliott wave waves. So we have right now just a trend channel, and I will place one more trend channel from the top of $210 to the previous swing lows. Right now we can see that the price is trying to break the larger trend channel to the downside. Wave 3 is trying to retrace in wave 4, and we can see that the price is now moving in a descending trend channel. What I think will happen is that the price will probably hit the lower boundary of a smaller trend channel and retrace to the top of the bigger trend channel and test it as a resistance. And after that it will drop to $80. Why do I think that? Because of the RSI that is forming right now, relative strength index. It suggests that price is oversold and that the price will retrace probably to the upside soon. That suggests that kind of opinion that price will hit the lower boundary of a smaller trend channel and then continue upwards to test the resistance of the larger trend channel and continue after that to the downside to test $80. One more thing to suggest that is that price tends to get to the middle of the trend channel. What does that mean? The bigger trend channel has a middle point. We are now zoomed out and we can see here multiple touch points at the middle of the trend channel. It tends to get back to the middle and retest the middle of the trend channel. This suggests practically a price of $80. Now we will zoom out more and we will go to the higher time frame, to the weekly time frame. So we are now zoomed out. Why is that important? So that I can show you that this trend channel that I drew here is really important for the long term. You can see here a weekly time frame. Every candle here represents 1 week and price movement in that 1 week, and we will move here a trend channel to connect the previous lows of 2020. You can see now that the points collide perfectly and that there are more touch points from 2020 and 2021. We can see that this trend channel is relevant and really important. The lower trend line is major support. If price ever comes back to that trend line, that is a sure buying opportunity. But you need to take it with a pinch of salt, every indicator. It can't be measured by itself. You should always check other indicators for confirmation to enter a trade or to enter an investment. I will move this smaller trend channel to the upside to the tops of 2021. So you can see that it connected previous tops and bottoms. So this trend channel is important as well. It has right now touched more touch points at the top of the previous bull market. So in the end, price tends to move in trend channels. You can see multiple Elliott wave theories suggest that it moves in waves to the upside or to the downside in a trend channel. You should always try to find trend channels so that you can predict where the price will retrace or go next. In my opinion, I think Solana will hit $80 soon, and then I will most likely buy at that level so that I can ride the fifth wave to the upside. On altcoins right now, you should be really careful right now because they tend to do exactly the same as Bitcoin, but in a larger percentage. So if you want to make profits, you should invest in altcoins, but you should be cautious. I will make a separate video about exactly altcoins and what is my view on altcoins. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.